Morning, Stewart Bazeley from Baypoint Surveys. We are up in Wales today on a gorgeous day on a survey just outside a village called Aberdofi. What we're doing today is we're carrying out a drone survey. The drone's currently up there at the moment. We're doing a LiDAR survey from the drone and a photographic survey from the drone. The reason being the cliff is very, very steep and very dangerous to try and access any other way. So we're going to produce a 3D point cloud of the whole of the cliff face for our client. So the deliverable at the end is going to be a 2D topographical survey, and we'll also do some sections through it, some long sections, and produce a 3D point cloud at the end of it. Yeah, so any of those up there, which is, I mean, it'll get all of those.
Oh yeah, go up to there. Even if I limit it to 25, 30 metres, you'll be 30 metres up into the trees. I'm going slowly for a reason, not because I'm slow and old. Right, I'm turning round.
Yeah, perfect. Right, so the drone's now carried out all of its work. So, am I right over here? They're just landing it back down now. So that's all the flights done. We've done a standard mission with LiDAR, which is basically taking vertical scan data. And then there's been an oblique mission, which measures at an angle, which has been really handy to get all the levels back into the bank. And we've also done a photographic mission as well. So they've cordoned off an area for protection purposes to keep the public away. And there we go, that's just landing now. Here we are at the end of a long day. All the surveying's been carried out, the drone work and the laser scanning. And I've now just got the hotel, so just relaxing here for the evening. And then I should be driving back to Bournemouth tomorrow. Good morning, just on my journey home. I thought I'd just share this stunning view with everyone as we head across the Brecon Beacons.